Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the two cores, the peas and the dough. Soak peas 6-8 hours or use thawed frozen peas to save time, then boil until soft. Meanwhile, combine 2 cups atta, 1/2 tsp salt, 1 tablespoon oil and warm water to form a supple dough. Rest for 15-20 minutes. Prep spices on a plate: cumin, garam masala, chili, amchur. Once done, mash the cooked peas with spices so you have a moist, well-seasoned stuffing ready to use. Now you assemble and cook. Divide rested dough into 8 equal balls and roll each to a 4 to 5 inch disc. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mashed pea stuffing in the center, fold edges over and pinch tightly so no filling escapes, then gently flatten. Heat a heavy tawa until hot, place the stuffed kulcha on it, cook until underside has brown spots, brush with ghee, flip and press lightly. Once both sides are golden, cover briefly to ensure the inside cooks through. Finish by serving hot, slathered with butter and accompanied by pickled onions or plain yogurt. Garnish with cilantro for brightness. If the dough tears while filling, stop, chill the stuffing for 5 to 10 minutes and reduce the filling amount, then reseal the edges with a touch of water. This prevents leaks. If kulcha browns but the inside feels undercooked, lower the heat and cover the pan for 1 to 2 minutes so steam finishes cooking the interior without burning the exterior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.